All right, so this one wants to do a confidence interval for difference in average weekly sales of these two stores. So we're looking at a difference in means, and we're doing a T interval. Okay, so this is a 2 sample T interval. So I'm going to show you another way we can use our calculator to find a T interval. Okay, so or it's just using the way that I told you, but just as instead of just using our stats, instead we're going to use the data. Okay, so I've already input that information into our data. Okay, we've got L1, L2, L1 is store 1, L2 is store 2. So if I hit stat and then go over to tests, down here, this is number 0, is our 2 sample T interval. Okay, so what you could do is do the one variable statistics, find all of that, and going to stats, you can input all of that if you wanted to. Okay, or since we've got it in lists, we can use the data instead. Okay, so I've got list 1 is L1, list 2 is L2. Frequencies are going to stay 1, and then I just have to change the C level to, we want a 0.99 for this case. All right, and then remember for means, we do not pool, so we're going to hit no. All right, and then we hit calculate. Okay, and it's going to give us some information. If you do it this way, okay, you have to report the degrees of freedom that the calculator gave you. So 11.881 in this case. All right. So if you're using the calculator way like this, you have to put the degrees of freedom that the calculator gave you. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and report our interval. So it's negative 1.7047 to 18.705. All right. Okay, and then we have to interpret this. Okay, so remember this is a script. So we are I'm going to just sort of summarize this. We are 99% confident that the true, and then true difference in average weekly sales is between negative 1.7047 and 18.705. Okay, oops, and I forgot my units there. It does say, what was our units? It is in hundreds of dollars. In hundreds of dollars. All right, so there we go.